Hello guys, here is Shibai Station. Today I will go to Yangmingshan for training bus. At the beginning, I plan to take the bus from Beidou Station. However, when I check the bus position by the bus app, I found it gone. So I decided to take the bus from Shibai Station. I will show how to check the bus line in Google Maps and how to check the bus position, the real-time GPS by bus app. So read it carefully. It will save you time now.
Google Maps is a powerful tool in Taiwan, so I use Google Maps to check the bus from Tanshui Station to Yangmingshan Station, and there are so many bus lines I can find from Google Maps. So now I choose a small line, that's mini line, from Beidou Station to Yangmingshan. Now it's 2:50 at MRT station, and the bus to Yangmingshan 4 o'clock is 2:35. So that's the timetable shown from the Google Maps. So I think I can catch the bus at Beidou Station according to the time to Beidou Station from Tanshui Station, and I use bus app to check real-time GPS of the bus, so it shows me the estimated time the bus from Beidou Station. According to the time estimate, I think I can catch the bus to Yangmingshan at Beidou Station at 2:35. You can save the bus line in your favorite, so for the next time when you open the app, you can find the bus line quickly. It was 2:30 and approaching MRT Beidou Station, so I used the bus app to check the real-time GPS of my bus. It seems the bus has gone. It's earlier than the time expected, so I need to wait another 40 minutes for the next bus. From Google Maps, I know there's another bus, small 8, from Shibai Station to 4 o'clock, so I check the bus schedule from the bus app to get the real-time GPS of the bus. You can find the timetable of the bus in the app. You can know when will the bus arrive each station. However, that's a only reference, since the bus driver can go through a bus station without stop if nobody wants to get in or get off. So that's what happened in Beidou Station. Now the bus Mini 8 is approaching Shibai Station.
Yes, here is Rock Park Station. Although I decided to stop at Yangmingshan Park, there's a lot of train bus there. But when I check the Google Maps in the bus, I decided to stop my trip from the park to the Yangmingshan Park. let's talk about the itinerary in Yangmingshan. Since Yangmingshan is a big area, so there are so many attractions here. So if you want to visit Yangmingshan, please check how much time you want to visit here. For example, you want to visit Zhuzhu, that's the best season is March for color lily. So if you have 4 hours, I think that's all for one attraction. That's Zhuzhu. But you have more maybe you have 6 hours. You want to visit the place, Chengshan Park or Clark Park and Zhuzhu. That's fine. But don't plan visit to so many attractions here since the bus interval maybe at least 15 minutes or 12 hours. So you have to make sure your itinerary and use the bus app to check the time of the bus.